To do a reverse wrap, you will start out with your basic frame constructed just like normal. Now if your pattern says to reverse wrap at the top wire, you're going to cross over the back side of that top wire instead of going over the front. And you'll measure the beads that you need, and then you'll wrap around to the front side and then to the back side again. But then as you go to the bottom wire, if you are not also reverse wrapping the bottom wire, you're going to wrap it normally. So you're going to go over the front of the bottom wire and wrap. And then for the next row, we're also going to need to reverse wrap at the top. So we're going to go over the back side of that top wire. Now if you need to, you can flip it over if it's more comfortable for you to wrap that way. And then you can flip it over again so that you can wrap that bottom wire normally. Flip, wrap at the top wire, and then we're going to flip it over again. And wrap the bottom wire by going over the front. And let's do this one more time. So you can flip it over, wrap, flip it over again, and wrap. Alright, so what you end up with is this. You've got your top wires showing on one side of your petal, and then you have your bottom wires showing on the other side. Now the reason that you're going to do this is to help conceal wires when both sides of a petal would normally show. So for example, if I had a flower that needed to go like this, but was also going to be visible from this side, I won't see any wires here, and I won't see any wires here. That is how to do a reverse wrap on a basic frame.